Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic TypeScript. So let's get started. What is the primary difference between the unknown and any types in TypeScript? The correct answer is option A. Unknown requires a type check or type assertion before performing operations on the value, while any does not. Which operator is used to obtain a union of all keys of an interface or object type? The correct answer is option B, keyoff. Which utility type constructs a type with all properties of type set to optional? The correct answer is option C, partial T. In the context of conditional types, what does the infer keyword do? The correct answer is option D. It allows you to declare a type variable within the extends clause to be extracted from the type. Which utility type is used to construct a type by excluding null and undefined from a union type? The correct answer is option A, non-nullable T. If you use typeoff on a class name, e.g., typeoff my class, what does the resulting type represent? The correct answer is option B, the constructor function / static side of the class. Which of the following is a key difference between interface and type aliases? The correct answer is option C. Interfaces can be merged via multiple declarations, declaration merging, while type aliases cannot. How do you define a property in an interface that can only be set when an object is first created? The correct answer is option D, read-only property name, type. What is the effect of applying as const to an object literal in TypeScript? The correct answer is option A. It makes all properties read-only and ensures literal types are preserved instead of widened. Which syntax is used to create a template literal type in TypeScript? The correct answer is option B. Type T equals prefix $string. What is a discriminated union in TypeScript? The correct answer is option C. A union of types that share a common singleton property, literal type, used to narrow the type. Which utility type constructs a type by picking all properties from type and then removing keys? The correct answer is option D, omit tk. What does the expression keyoff T return if T is an object type? The correct answer is option A, a string or number union of the property names of T. What is one feature an abstract class has that an interface does not? The correct answer is option B. An abstract class can contain implementation details, method bodies. What is the primary purpose of the Satisfies operator introduced in TypeScript 4.9? The correct answer is option B. To ensure a value matches a type without losing the specific, narrower, type of that value. How do you define an index signature for an object where keys are strings and values are numbers? The correct answer is option D, index, string, number. Which type is used to represent an array that cannot be modified after creation? The correct answer is option A, read-only array T. What does parameters T return when T is a function type? The correct answer is option B, a tuple type consisting of the types of the function's parameters. How can you add a new property to the global window object in a TypeScript module? The correct answer is option C, declare global interface window new prop string. How do you represent a tuple type where the second element is optional? The correct answer is option D, string number. Under strict function types, true, which of the following is true regarding function parameter variance? The correct answer is option A, function parameters are checked contravariantly. In config.json, which property controls how TypeScript looks up a file from a given module specifier? The correct answer is option B, module resolution. What is the difference between the private keyword and ECMAScript private fields using hashtag in TypeScript? The correct answer is option C. Private is only enforced at compile time, while hashtag provides true runtime privacy. Which utility type is used to map the properties of one type to another type? The correct answer is option D, record KT. What does structural typing mean in the context of TypeScript? The correct answer is option A. Two types are compatible if they have the same shape/members, regardless of their names. What is the difference between exclude TU and omit TK? The correct answer is option B. Exclude removes types from a union, while omit removes properties from an object type. When using function overloading, what is the implementation signature? The correct answer is option C, the final signature that contains the actual function body and must be compatible with all overloads. What does the awaited T utility type do? The correct answer is option D. It recursively unwraps a type if it is a promise, returning the underlying value type. How can you ensure a switch statement is exhaustive, covers all possible cases of a union, in TypeScript? The correct answer is option A. Assign the default case value to a variable of type never. Which library/package is commonly used with TypeScript to enable metadata reflection for decorators? The correct answer is option B, reflect metadata. Thank you for watching.